Hey everybody, so today's video is me sharpening this Hatsukokorou in SKD11 Kurosome colored Damascus. This is a 165 millimeter Santoku. I don't know if it comes out in the video, but there is kanji etched in here for Hatsukokorou. So this is a Kurosome finish. It's a little different from the Kurouchi because Kurouchi, they only have this blacksmith finish only on on the main part of the knife, not the bevel. So this will be the bevel, just like this. But the Kurosome also does the bevel, and this is the colored Damascus, so it has this copper-like pattern. For mine, I haven't used it too much. There's a little bit of discoloration on the copper color on the top, not so much on the bottom. The core steel here is SKD11. It's very similar to D2, but with lower vanadium content. I think up to around like half a percentage. And the HRC is 64 Rockwell.